Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the trending Snapchat lens called Old to Young. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this Snapchat lens shows you how you look young and then transform you into an old person. So let me show you how to find this lens and how to use it. So first, you want to open up your Snapchat app. Next, you want to tap on the Explore button here at the bottom. Now here you want to tap on search and you want to search for old to young. Now what you're looking for is this first Snapchat lens, which is old to young, and it looks like this. Go ahead and tap on that. Now once you do that, Snapchat will recognize your face and will turn you from a young kid to an old person. And there you go, you can create your very own Snapchat stories using this effect. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.